Well, good afternoon, Josh Who TV followers, and welcome to Sea Dock here at lovely Las Vegas Boat Harbor. And here's one of the classic cases of bought a boat, had so much fun, bought a bigger boat, and now have upgraded one more time, and they bought Waterbase, which is a big triple decker that needs a Dodger panel up there on the top, and they're gonna screen and close the front on the bow here. And that's what I'm out here to do, was to kind of size it up. I was out here anyway on another job, and I was sizing it up for drilling holes and mounting ketter. We're getting away, it had snaps, but we're getting away from the snaps and going to ketter. And then we'll go just to the railings. But if you followed the Wellcraft boat through the assembly of the biminis and the screen enclosure, they have sold the Wellcraft and they bought Waterbase. Don't know if they'll keep the name or if they'll change the name. But it's as usual. With a lot of these boats, it was thoroughly enjoyed, and then it was kind of left, and the wind just had its way, and it's ripped a lot of the Dodgers up top, and the front screen enclosure was just torn to shreds. Most of it wound up in the water, as you can probably tell by what's left over here. It was a wreck. This strap into the railing is just not adequate enough. You can see it. It totally tears the screen apart. It was 70-mile-an-hour winds that were blowing through the harbor, and a lot of the boats lost canvas and screen. But that is why we're out here today, is to take a look at some of the damage. This one here, which is surprising because we're in the covered slips. And you know, if they have taken damage in the covered slips, there was some pretty intense wind going on around here. So we'll expect a call from them soon. I don't think they've been back out here yet. But I figured I would drag you along and show you one of the upcoming projects. We're going to wrap the bow and screen, and we're going to fix the third deck Dodger. I want to thank you so much for following along. Well, good afternoon, Josh Who TV followers. And we're out here on the end of C with Waterbase. And Waterbase has some new ownership, and we are here to put screens on it, because we did their last boat. If you followed the Wellcraft through its biminis and its screen enclosure, that used to own the Wellcraft, have upgraded substantially to a triple decker. Cody and I were out here yesterday, and we put, you can see we got the twist locks on the railing, and I hung the ketter, and that was where I could get the length of the ketter. We hung a plumb bob down to where the gate's gonna separate, and I got a little bit of overlap on each side. Of course, the wind started blowing. Here we go. But you kind of get the idea. And I've got some clamps. I'll pull that taunt to the outside before I mark the twist lock. Yeah, I'll leave a little bit of bag to it, but not too much, because they will tighten up a little bit in the sun. This is really the side that's gonna benefit them the most, going up the stairs. It instantly got cooler in here as soon as I hung these down. So we're gonna get the harbor actually loaned us a boat. This is actually the harbor's boat, and we asked them if we could move Waterbase into a slip where I could get, you know, we could nose it in, they'd be around all three sides. But right now they don't have a slip that this will fit in that would give me access to all three sides. So this was the solution, was to get me this little pontoon boat here, and it worked out quite well. I just pulled it around the side of the boat and lashed it up tight and drilled holes in someone else's boat. So there we go. I'm gonna try and get these done. See, the wind's already picking up a little bit, but I'm kind of sheltered back in here. That's Q dock over there, and going up this alley and out is how you get out to the lake. And again, the dam is right there. That ledge right there, that big mountain, is the one half of the dam, and then that mountain back there is the other half of the dam. So wonderful slip here in Las Vegas Boat Harbor. We're gonna go ahead and get to work and get back to the shop where we can share some more with you. Thanks for following along.